Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on a Bluetooth keyboard. First, make sure your Bluetooth keyboard is fully charged and powered on. Next, navigate to your device's settings and locate the Bluetooth menu. Turn on Bluetooth and wait for your keyboard to appear in the list of available devices. Once you see it, tap to pair. A successful connection is usually indicated by a notification or a solid light on your keyboard. This initial step is crucial for seamless gameplay. Once your keyboard is connected, open the Roblox application. Within the game, access the settings menu, often found by tapping the gear icon. Look for control options or input settings. Ensure that keyboard input is recognized and enabled. Some games within Roblox might have specific keybinds, so it's a good idea to check those too. This ensures your keyboard commands translate correctly into game actions. For movement, the W, A, S, D keys are standard across many Roblox experiences. W moves forward, S moves backward, A moves left, and D moves right. The spacebar is commonly used for jumping or activating primary abilities. You'll still use your device's touchscreen, mouse, or trackpad for camera control and interacting with on-screen elements. Experiment with different keys to discover specific game functions. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your device and the Bluetooth keyboard. Sometimes, a simple reboot resolves connectivity problems. Also, ensure your device's operating system is up to date, as this can affect Bluetooth performance. Always check your keyboard's battery level before a long gaming session to avoid unexpected disconnections. With these tips, you'll enjoy a smoother Roblox experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.